Today we'll be installing a new solution for select Ford F-Series models 2015 to 2022, the 95-5870CH. Disassembly. Start the disassembly by unclipping and removing the speaker grill with a pry tool. Then, remove the two 9/32" screws. Unclip and remove the panel. You will then need to remove the two 9/32" screws. Remove the climate control panel by carefully unclipping and unplugging it. Unclip the 2 or 3 buttons from the top panel and set them aside for later. Next, remove the 4 9/32" screws securing the radio chassis. Remove the 6 9/32" screws securing the display screen. Carefully unplug the connections from the display screen. Disconnect the wiring and remove the factory radio. Remove the two 10mm nuts at the top of the camera module. Loosen the bottom nut and reposition the module down onto the lower stud. Resecure the module and tighten the one 10mm nut. Kit preparation. Remove the 9 T10 Torx screws from the back cover. Then carefully unsnap and remove the plastic cover. Remove the 6 T10 Torx screws from the lower circuit board. Note, you can identify the screw holes by the circular imprints on the circuit board. After, remove the 4 T10 Torx screws from the upper factory circuit board. Then, you can remove both circuit boards. After taking out the boards, remove the knobs and the buttons with the rubber keypad for the radio trim panel. Remove the airbag light from the factory radio trim. Next, unclip the factory airbag light lens. Remove the airbag board and bracket from the radio housing. Next, snap the factory lens to the 95-5870CH airbag assembly. Then reconnect to continue assembly. Attach the lower trim panel to the radio trim panel with two 4 by 3/8 inch Phillips screws. Install the knobs, buttons, and the rubber keypad to the 95-5870CH radio trim panel. Then, install the upper and lower circuit boards to the radio trim panels. Secure the upper board with 3 of the shorter factory screws, or the supplied 4 by 1/2 inch Phillips provided. Install the lower circuit board using 6 of the shorter factory screws, or the supplied 4 by 1/2 inch screws. Route the LD-FD main-EXT harness through the oval opening in the back. Secure the back cover with the factory T10 Torx hardware. Long or short screws will work. Select the 2 or 3 button trim panel and attach the radio trim panel with 4 4 by 3/8 inch screws. Simply snap in the 2 or 3 buttons removed earlier. Attach the 7 panel clips to the radio trim panel. Connect the 8 pin from the LD-FD main-EXT to the 8 pin from the LD-FD main harness supplied. Plug the proper end to the left socket in the back of the kit and press down. After attaching the radio bracket with the supplied screws, make the proper connections and secure the radio into the dash. Connect the LD-FD main T-harness to the appropriate factory climate plug and connect the remaining climate plug to the open socket on the radio trim panel. With care, snap the radio trim panel assembly over the radio. Reassemble the dash in the reverse order of disassembly to complete the install. After the install is complete, test all climate control knobs and buttons for functionality. You can refer to our vehicle fit guide for up-to-date vehicle specifications. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please follow us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click the box on the right side of the screen. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.